Hi, this is Creativity with me. In Creativity with me, I simply put all those simple ideas that you can do at home with your kids, basically 5 years to 10 years. Nevertheless, I'll also be sharing different creative ideas for toddlers and teenagers and also young adults. So if your kids fall into any of these categories, there is something for them. In this particular video, we shall be making a leaf image by painting the leaf and simply pasting it on a cardboard just to get the same image of the leaf. This is to help your child paint better, and not just paint better, but also help them to focus. Painting teaches the child how to focus. Painting teaches the child how to identify objects also. Basically, the materials that you will be using for this creative idea, you have leaves. I had to put them in the bowl so that they don't that because I had cut them a long time before I started this painting. You need your poster colors, you need a cardboard. I used the yellow cardboard here. So now here I am about to paint the leaves. You have to paint the leaves first of all before pasting it on the cardboard. So you're going to bring out your choice poster color that you would prefer to use, and you have to mix them to if they are so thick, you mix them with water. You could also make this leaf painting a little bit practical. Take it on a walk outside to gather various types of fresh or fallen leaves outside the house or outdoor generally. Paint one entire side of a leaf with a brush, then you press it down on the paper to make pretty leaf prints. That is exactly what I'm trying to do here. So I would not like to jump the step. You can also try this with variety of leaves with different shapes and sizes. You could even make them on your own wrapping paper with this same leaf prints. So this is mixing the poster color. I needed to dilute mine because it was just too thick. Don't forget to always raise your brush, especially when you know you're trying different colors. You don't want one color to interfere in another color. Why is painting good for children's development? Or why should you even consider teaching your child how to paint or allowing your child to be aware about painting? Now, when they paint, they are building their fingers, their wrist and hand strength while improving their hand-eye coordination, which is what we call the fine motor skills. And the fine motor skills are developing rapidly in young children from ages 0 to 6. And this is the prime time to encourage them with suitable painting activities. So this is one of the painting activities you could inculcate in your activities. So this is what we have here. I hope I have been able to enable you paint a leaf